What's up, investment fam? Iggy here from the Investing Iguana. In today's video, we're going to dive deep into the world of broker recommendations and uncover the top stocks that analysts are buzzing about. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting your financial journey, this video is packed with insights that could help you make more informed decisions and potentially grow your wealth. These analysts spend countless hours researching companies, analyzing financials, and forecasting future performance. And while their recommendations aren't gospel, they can provide valuable insights into which stocks might be worth considering for your portfolio. We've got a diverse array of companies here, from real estate investment trusts, REITs, like Capitaland Ascendas REITs and Capitaland Ascot Trust, to tech giants like Keppel and Aztech. Each one has its own unique story, and the data provides us with valuable insights into their performance and potential. I will want to give credit to TTNews for consolidating the broker recommendations. It's a great piece of work, so kudos to him. Let's dive into this comprehensive stock data table. It's like a treasure chest filled with valuable information about various companies. It includes everything from broker recommendations to target prices and the potential for gains or losses. I understand that at first glance, it might seem overwhelming, the sea of numbers and technical terms. But don't worry, I'm here to simplify it all for you. Think of this table as a snapshot of the stock market. It's a tool that investors use to make informed decisions about where to put their money. Each row in the table represents a different company, and the columns provide specific details about each one. We have a wide range of companies listed here. For instance, there are real estate investment trusts, REITs, like Capitaland Ascendas REIT and Capitaland Ascot Trust. REITs are companies that own, operate, or finance income-generating real estate. They offer a way for individuals to invest in large-scale, income-producing real estate. The performance of REITs can be influenced by factors such as property market conditions, interest rates, and the management team's expertise. On the other hand, we also have giants like Keppel and Aztech. These companies operate in the fast-paced technology sector, which is characterized by rapid innovation and growth. Their performance can be influenced by factors such as technological advancements, market demand for their products or services, and the competitive landscape. Each company has its own unique story to tell, and the data in the table provides us with valuable insights into their past performance and future potential. By analyzing this data, we can gain a better understanding of the company's financial health, growth prospects, and the potential risks involved. The closing price column provides the current market price of each stock. This is a snapshot of what the market values the company at the end of the trading day. It's a crucial piece of information for any investor, as it forms the basis for many financial calculations and comparisons. However, the stock market is about more than just numbers. That's where the remarks column comes in. This column provides qualitative information about each company, offering insights that numbers alone might not reveal. For instance, consider the company AEMSGD. The remarks column indicates a further order win from new customer. This is a positive sign, as it suggests that the company is expanding its customer base, which could lead to increased revenue and growth in the future. On the other hand, we have Aztech Global. The remark for this company is 1Q24 revenue slightly below expectations, affected by rescheduling of orders. This suggests that the company's revenue for the first quarter of 2024 didn't meet analysts' expectations, possibly due to orders being rescheduled. While this might raise some concerns, it's important to remember that a single quarter's performance doesn't necessarily predict future results. Broker recommendations are indeed an important aspect to consider when looking at potential investments. These recommendations are formulated by professional analysts who have an in-depth understanding of the companies they cover. They scrutinize a company's financials, industry position, market trends, and many other factors to form an opinion about the company's stock. However, it's crucial to remember that these recommendations should not be followed blindly. They are just one piece of the investment puzzle. Each investor has unique financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment horizon. Therefore, what might be a good investment for one person might not be the same for another. Furthermore, analysts' opinions can vary. One analyst might recommend a buy while another might suggest a hold or sell for the same stock. This is because they might have different views on the company's future prospects or the overall market conditions. Therefore, while broker recommendations can provide valuable insights, they should be used as a starting point for your own research. Look into the company's financials, understand its business model, consider the health of the industry it operates in, and think about its future growth prospects. Singapore Real Estate Investment Trusts, commonly known as SREITs, are indeed a popular investment choice, and for good reason. One of the most compelling aspects of SREITs is their attractive dividend yields. On average, these yields range from 6 to 8% per year. To put this into perspective, traditional investments like bonds or savings accounts typically offer much lower returns. So, investing in SREITs can be likened to planting a money tree that consistently bears fruit. But the benefits of SREITs don't stop at high dividend yields. Another significant advantage is the diversification they offer. When you invest in an S-REIT, you're not just investing in a single property. Instead, you're spreading your investment across a portfolio of properties. This portfolio can include different types of properties such as commercial, retail, industrial, and residential, and these properties can be located in different countries. This diversification helps to spread the risk and can provide a level of protection against fluctuations in the property market. Moreover, investing in SREITs gives you the opportunity to benefit from the real estate market without the responsibilities and challenges that come with direct property ownership. You won't have to worry about property maintenance, dealing with tenants, or any of the other tasks that come with being a landlord. Instead, a professional management team takes care of these aspects. In the dynamic landscape of Singapore Real Estate Investment Trusts, or SREITs, several entities have made a significant impact. One such entity is Capitaland Trust. This REIT has carved a niche for itself by specializing in serviced apartments and hotels, making it a distinctive player in the real estate market. Capitaland Trust has a target price of $1.30, suggesting a potential upside of 44.4%. This implies that if the market conditions align with the analyst's forecasts, an investment in Capitaland Trust could potentially yield a return of 44.4% from its current price. This potential for steady returns positions it as an attractive option for investors seeking growth in their portfolio. A noteworthy aspect of Capitaland Trust is its focus on the hospitality sector. This sector encompasses businesses like hotels and serviced apartments, which have been demonstrating signs of rapid recovery. This recovery is propelled by factors such as the relaxation of travel restrictions, increased rates of vaccination, and a pent-up demand for travel. Furthermore, Capitaland Trust has exhibited robust performance in the past year. In 2023, the trust's revenue and gross profit both surged by approximately 20% year-on-year. This growth, along with the trust's strong occupancy rates, signals a positive outlook for the trust. However, as with all investments, it's important to conduct thorough research and consider your own financial situation before making a decision. Another REIT that caught my eye is Capitaland Integrated Commercial Trust, or CICT for short. This REIT is diversified, meaning it has a wide range of commercial properties in its portfolio. This diversification can help to spread risk and provide stability, making it an attractive option for investors. The data indicates a target price of $2.18 for CICT, which suggests an upside potential of 11.2%. In simpler terms, this means that if the market conditions align with the analyst's predictions, an investment in CICT could potentially yield a return of 11.2% from its current price. This potential gain is certainly appealing and could make CICT a worthwhile consideration for investors looking for growth opportunities. What's more, CICT has demonstrated strong performance in 2024. This strong performance is a positive indicator of the REIT's stability and reliability, suggesting that it could be a good long-term hold. A long-term hold in investment terms refers to an investment strategy where an investor buys stocks and holds them for a long period, regardless of fluctuations in the market. This strategy is typically adopted by investors who believe in the long-term potential of their investments. Aztech Global, a company listed under the stock code 8AZ, has been the subject of several positive recommendations from various brokerage firms. CGS, for instance, has given it an ad rating and set a target price of $1.23. This suggests a potential upside of approximately 31.6% from its last closing price. DBS, another brokerage firm, has issued a buy recommendation for Aztech Global. They view the company's outlook as robust, which is driving a sense of optimism about its future performance. UOB is also bullish on Aztech Global. They have maintained a buy call and have revised their target price upwards to $1.25, representing an upside of 33.7%. These positive sentiments from the brokers are largely driven by Aztech's promising growth prospects. Factors contributing to this outlook include strong demand for IoT devices, successful acquisition of new customers, expansion of capacity with a new plant in Malaysia, and a healthy order book position. Despite some near-term headwinds, the overall consensus among most brokers is to buy or add Aztech Global shares. This recommendation is based on the company's robust fundamentals and positive growth outlook. So there you have it, folks, a comprehensive look at the top stocks based on the latest broker recommendations. Whether you're eyeing the tech giants, the airline industry, or the up-and-coming players, there is no shortage of opportunities out there for savvy investors. But remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Do your due diligence, stay informed, and always invest within your risk tolerance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to the Investing Iguana for more financial wisdom and investing insights. As always, thanks for tuning in and happy investing. I'll catch you next time with another exciting episode. Until then, stay green and keep growing that portfolio, my scaly friends.